The world has changed. Battlefields no longer belong to soldiers alone. In the silence of innovation and the roar of technology, something extraordinary has awakened. A machine unlike any before. It doesn't need a pilot. It doesn't need permission. It only needs purpose. This is the Futuristic Unmanned Tank 2026, the machine warrior of a new age. From the very first glance, it commands respect. Every line, every angle, every plate of armor speaks of dominance. Its design is not just engineering, it's art, forged in steel and intelligence. It moves not with hesitation, but with calculated certainty. Each motion is deliberate. Each decision is precise. Driven by artificial intelligence so advanced, it can predict the unpredictable. It doesn't follow orders, it understands them. In the heart of its system lies an AI core built to think, adapt, and evolve. The battlefield becomes its domain. Every sound, every shadow, every signal is analyzed in real time. It knows when to strike, when to defend, and when to disappear. It's not just a tank, it's a strategist, a guardian, a silent commander. The Futuristic Unmanned Tank 2026 was born not from chaos, but from vision. A vision of strength without vulnerability, power without fatigue, intelligence without error. Where humans once stood in harm's way, machines now stand in their place, unshaken, unafraid. It represents more than progress. It represents protection. Its body is a fortress. Layer upon layer of hybrid composite armor makes it lighter, faster, and almost indestructible. It absorbs impact like water, dispersing force through engineered precision. Its movement is silent, a ghost across terrain. In deserts, in mountains, through rain or fire, it adapts to survive, to conquer, to win. Its sensors scan beyond the horizon. Infrared, radar, and visual mapping merge into one unified vision. Every heartbeat of data is processed in milliseconds, turning uncertainty into clarity. The AI sees everything: the unseen heat of engines, the faint vibration of footsteps, the smallest change in wind direction. It calculates outcomes before they occur. When it moves, it's already prepared for what comes next. Its cannon, a masterpiece of precision, aligns automatically, adjusting for recoil, distance, and velocity in fractions of a second. No delay, no misfire, no chance for error. When it fires, it's not just a projectile, it's a message, a declaration of technological supremacy. The Futuristic Unmanned Tank 2026 is more than metal. It's a mind of its own, connected through networks, guided by algorithms, learning from every mission it undertakes. Every maneuver, every decision feeds back into its neural systems. It becomes faster, smarter, deadlier. Each battle turns it into something more evolved than before. But behind its power lies purpose. This machine was not built for destruction alone. It was built for deterrence. Its existence alone prevents wars before they begin. Nations see it, and they think twice. It is the iron symbol of balance, power that protects, strength that sustains peace. In advanced military showrooms, engineers stand in awe. Cameras flash, lights reflect across its surface, and whispers fill the air. They're not just looking at technology, they're looking at the future of defense. Each cable, each circuit, each microchip tells a story of human innovation reaching beyond limits. It's not science fiction anymore, it's science realized. The battlefield of tomorrow will be ruled not by manpower, but by machine intelligence. And this tank is the first of its kind, a leader in the revolution of autonomous warfare. It doesn't fear, it doesn't hesitate, it doesn't retreat. It advances with certainty, adapting to environments, analyzing threats, and making decisions faster than the human mind can comprehend. That's not just evolution, that's revolution. As it moves, it feels alive, the hum of electric power coursing through its veins. The air vibrates as its treads crush the ground beneath it. It's quiet but commanding, stealthy but unstoppable. It doesn't need to roar to prove its presence. The silence is enough to send a message. Around the world, defense analysts call it the future of warfare. But to the engineers who built it, it's more than that. It's proof that imagination can shape destiny. For decades, humanity dreamed of machines that could think, act, and protect. Now, that dream stands before us, cloaked in armor, powered by artificial intelligence, and ready for anything the future holds. This is not just a machine, it's a mirror of human potential. It reflects our courage, our fear, our brilliance. It reminds us that technology is only as powerful as the purpose behind it. The Unmanned Tank 2026 carries that purpose with pride: to defend, to deter, and to define the next chapter of human progress. As the spotlight fades, it stands alone, massive, motionless, majestic. Its sensors pulse softly like a heartbeat. It waits, calculating, listening, learning. And though it does not speak, the world can hear it. The message is clear. The age of the machine warrior has begun. The future of war is not chaos. It is precision. It is intelligence. It is power under control. The Futuristic Unmanned Tank 2026 is not just part of that future. It is the future.